Welcome to tkcast.hostcisco.com. Today we're going to be setting up Cisco UD connection for headquarter and BR1. The task is you already know we're going to set up UD connection. Then we're going to create end user for headquarter phone 1 and BR1 phone 1. Then we're going to import the end user into Cisco UD connection. Our voicemail pilot will be 5600. Voicemail port will begin with 5601 and choose 5602. MWI on and off is 1998 to 1999. Okay, so let's get this going. First thing is go to here, click on voicemail, then go to the Cisco voicemail port wizard, which will bring you here. So first thing you can change this if you like, but I usually leave it default like the way it's it. Next, the port, I only have license to use 2 port. If you have more, you use as much you want, so I'm going to use what I have. Next is description, give it whatever you like. Device pool, I put into headquarter. Console spray, I put in internal. Location, hubs, or whatever you make, security, I use none. Security voicemail port. Then next, begin directory, which is gonna be 5601. Okay. Partition, you can leave it none, that's fine. Console space, go ahead and put internal. Next, then we're going to add a new line group, unless you want to use an existing one if you already have it, but I'll just leave the way it or name whatever you like. Next, and look through it to see if you made any error. If you didn't, then go back and if you do, then go back and make some change before you hit finish. So I'm gonna hit finish because all these are the way I want it. Okay, give me a second to see what's going on. Okay, back. The problem was I double click on finish twice. That's why I got that error. But the voice port is already created for me. So the next thing is well, the next thing is just go to the, we need to create a well, we already create a line group. We already have a line group. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to hunt list. Okay, we're gonna make a hunt list. Name it whatever you like. I'm gonna call it hunt list voicemail, and then I'm gonna click on your subscriber or publisher, whatever. Enable hunt list, and for voicemail you make sure you check these two. Save it. Okay, then click add line group. There's your line group. Save. Then next is go to your hunt pilot. There's nothing crazy, so add new. So the pilot we're gonna use is it's gonna be right here, 5600. So put 5600. Partition, you can leave none or whatever partition you like, but put none. But if you make a partition just for voicemail, then just put it right there, Make sure all the phone can see it. The voicemail phone that you gotta apply can see it. But none is fine. Then hunt list. Then save. Next thing is go to your voicemail, create message waiting, add new. So our on is gonna be 1998 and our off is 199. So 1998, and we can leave it on. Okay. Then we're gonna copy, or you can do add and do the 9. Off, save. Then go down list, go to your voicemail pilot. I'm gonna use a default one. And our voicemail pilot number is gonna be the same like a hunt pilot. 5600. Internal. Save it. And double check on your voicemail profile. The default one. Right here. Make sure you have that. Save it. Okay, let me double check something here, because I use CSS internal. It has partition internal, but my phone DN doesn't have that partition. See, no. So it's gonna mess up later. These guys don't have partition internal. So let's see where we at. Okay, we can go in here and we can check. Well, I need to put it in partition internal, and then I need to make sure forward busy internal check, and no answer internal and external check. Save it. And go back and do for the headquarter phone. Save it. Okay, now after that we're gonna go ahead and create end user, one for headquarter and one for branch 1. So I already have some created, but I'm gonna make new one. I'm gonna call one John Smith. Password 12345 12345 12345 1 2 3 4 5. Last name Smith. First name John. Extension is 501. Save it. Then you're gonna associate to that device. 501. Check this. Save. Okay. Go back to your user. Right there in there now. Then go down where you see primary extension. Make sure you click on that. Go and save it after that. Then add new. Create another user for BL1. I'm gonna call it Cindy. Oh, Cindy Jordan. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Last name Jordan. First name Cindy. Telephone number is 1001. Save it. Device association 101. Save. Go back to your end user in there and go down primary extension 101. Save it. Okay, now we're done with call manager side. Next we're gonna go to our Cisco UD connection and do the setting there. Okay, first thing when I do it, because this is Uni Express, nothing configured yet, so first thing I do is go into the system phone, use that, or you can create a new one. Check this, save it. Then I go to Cisco Unified Communication Manager AXL. Then I'm gonna make sure it's connect, so it can connect to call manager. Make sure you have on call manager you have a system application user that can, like this guy right here, that have that AXL access. Yeah. So okay, save. Okay, look, that's good. We're gonna add the server in, which is gonna be my call manager, publisher, or subscribe, whatever you have it turned on. This instant I only have the publisher turned on. So port, you can use 8443 or 443. Test it. Okay, look good. Save. Okay, next I'm gonna go port group, add a new one. Okay, and the name I can leave the same or change whatever I like, but the device name prefix, it gotta match with, oops, wrong one. This guy name, whatever here. Copy it. paste it in. Make sure there's no 1, okay? Take away the 1. And our MWI is on, is 198. 199 is off. And IP hole address is our publisher. Okay, save it. Okay, so we need to add the port. Then we're gonna have 2 port. Save it. Okay, here we go. Our setup. Next is I'd like to do is I'm gonna make change authentication rules. And this is lab purpose, so you know, I do my way, you know, in the real world, whatever your manager want or whatever, just according to there, you know. Yep, you got do what they want. Well, you get fired. But I don't like my password to be expired. Length up the password, make it easy. 4. And I don't like triple password. That means, you know, by checking it up I can do 1 2 3 4, you know. With if you check it on, you can't do that. They won't let you. Save it. Okay, save it again. Kind of laggy for me. And after that, I change my user template. Click on it. And I don't like cell enrollment. That's logged in. Take that out. Save it. And I like go to setwood password setting. I don't need to change it next time I log in. Just leave it. Save it. And I'm going to change my password now. 1 2 3 4. And this applies to all the new user that I imported in. We'll have these settings. Okay, now we can go ahead and try import a user we create in call manager. Go ahead and use system, fine, and there we go. 2 users that we created. Check them, select import, and just have to wait for it now. Okay. Okay, looks like it finished add those on, and you can see it in the user. Okay, right here and right here. So let's test it to see if it's worked. Okay, and hit the voicemail. One, two, three, four, and pound. Okay, look like go in. Same thing. 1 2 3 4 pound. Okay, in. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave a voicemail for 101. See what happened. Well, I'm gonna call him and then leave a voicemail. 1001. 1001. One problem. Okay, the problem is my console space. Let me fix that real quick here. Remember my concept way internal party partition internal is in the DN, but my phone CSS doesn't have that. This one CSS headquarter doesn't have that. That's why I cannot call extension to extension. I was gonna use that for another lab, but for right now I'm just go ahead and add it in. That's fine. Okay, now it should work. Guarantee. Okay, file 1.1001. There we go. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, and this guy should have a voicemail. See, MWI is on, and you click on voicemail. Okay, they got that. So that's pretty much setting up Unity connection. Both phones should be able to get their voicemail. That's it. Thank you for watching, and hope you continue on follow up for the other video. Thank you.